Get a feel for the 2018 Lincoln Continental. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This boldly elegant Continental delivers tranquility on every journey. With the space and comfort of traditional full-size luxury and the convenience of today's connected technology, you'll be relaxed and confident wherever the road takes you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, power passenger seat, active suspension, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, remote engine start, satellite radio, aluminum wheels. Live large and take advantage of life's luxuries when you travel in this stylish Continental. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.